Will this impact wrench take the lug nuts off your vehicle? Well, let's find out. Okay, my 12-volt impact wrench came in today. Ordered this from Home Depot. Let's see what she looks like. It's called the Mighty Impact Wrench. Wagan Tech. There's some specs on it. 271 foot-pounds, 11.4 foot cord, half-inch drive, and there's your sockets. It's a little blurry. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, this might be a cool tool to have if if it works good. Get a flat tire on the side of the road. Pull this out. Take the lug nuts off. Instructions. It's got some weight to it. You've got a little bubble on top. I don't know what that's for, but I mean, you just got to keep it straight. Get your reverse here and forward here. Cord looks well made. And you got your sockets, double-sided sockets, and some fuses. I like the case. Keeps your tool nice. You got a case. It's feels good. If it works as good as it feels. Okay, let's go out in the garage and try her out on some lug nuts. Okay, let's try this out on some lug nuts. My first time using this tool, so you guys are seeing the same thing I'm going to see for the first time. Forget to mention this tool is made in China, in case anybody was wondering. There. We'll see how this does. These lug nuts are torqued at 100 pounds. Put this in. Got a little LED light here for nighttime. And the cord's plenty long enough. I don't know, if you got a pickup truck maybe it won't reach, I don't know, but let's try it out. Okay. I think this bubble is so you keep it straight. Keep it like that. Yeah, hey, that works pretty good. That ain't bad. One more, I'll do one more down here. It ain't bad. It takes about 5 whacks. See how it goes back on. like this thing. I'm going to torque these down with a torque wrench to get it exact, but yeah, if you're on the side of the road, this thing worked pretty good. Yeah, I'm surprised at this, actually. I like this. I give this a thumbs up, man. This is pretty cool. Nice case to carry it around the back of a truck. Definitely a keeper. Yeah, I like this tool. Hey, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.